NASA scientists recently made a stunning discovery in outer space, something their lead scientist called the universal mechanism, because of how it controls how healthily our bodies age. This NASA discovery is now set to be a game changer in how we address low energy, brain fog, and even the aging process itself. And not in 10 or 20 years from now, but starting today, because this discovery has already proven to be life-changing for a lady called Beth. It all started when Beth felt so run down and lousy she could cry. Every day was a grueling battle against exhaustion, brain fog, and low moods, and feeling like her body was falling apart. Beth's daughter was worried about her poor mom. She was desperate to help her feel more energized, alert, and healthy. So she did some research on the internet to find out what may be causing her mom to feel so tired all the time. And this led to her discovering a way to help her mom feel energized, mentally alert, and vibrant throughout the day, starting in as little as 10 seconds each morning, and without having to endlessly top up on caffeine or weird protein shakes just to keep going. Beth's daughter's journey to discovering this method started when she checked the latest science news to see if there had been any breakthroughs in how best to power the human body. And she found out something that left her stunned. It was a jaw-dropping discovery NASA scientists had made in outer space. The NASA scientists had been researching how they could best support the energy levels of astronauts, and they discovered that the human body has something NASA's lead scientist Afshin Beheshti called the universal mechanism. Something he said explains the kinds of changes we see in the body in space, and even decides between astronauts staying in robust good health or everything getting thrown out of whack. What is this universal mechanism the NASA scientists discovered? It's the tiny batteries inside every cell of our bodies. Tiny batteries called mitochondria. Because you see, our mitochondria play a vital role in converting the food we eat and the oxygen we breathe into energy. In fact, our mitochondria generate most of the energy that powers our bodies. So it's vital to have our mitochondria working at their best, for us to feel energized, clear-minded and youthful. Because as our mitochondria start to decline as a natural part of aging, just like how a candle dims as the wick starts running low, it can feel like your body is aging faster than it should, and is a key factor in why you can feel run down, tired, drained and lousy, struggling to focus and foggy-brained, and battling through the day in a body that feels like it's 10 years older than your calendar age. This appeared to be exactly what was happening to poor Beth. After discovering how our mitochondria act like tiny batteries inside every cell in our bodies, Beth's daughter started researching how the mitochondria can be promoted to work at their peak, so they can convert food and oxygen into energy, and help Beth get back to being more like her old energetic, joyful self again. After much searching, Beth's daughter found the answer in an article by Harvard School of Public Health, an article about how our bodies have an army of mitochondria defense warriors called antioxidants. As you may know, antioxidants are molecules that protect every cell and organ in our bodies. They patrol around the clock to keep potential threats at bay, and this includes helping to clean, maintain, and support our mitochondria to perform at their best. If our mitochondria are the tiny power plants that energize our bodies, then think of antioxidants as the maintenance crew that help to keep them running at peak levels. In the Harvard Health article, Beth also discovered that you don't need a few different types of antioxidants, but as wide a variety as possible. As Harvard Health explains, antioxidants tend to work best in combination with other nutrients, plant chemicals, and even other antioxidants, while medical news today confirms that. Each antioxidant serves a different function and is not interchangeable with another, but this meant Beth's daughter now faced a problem. How was her mother supposed to get enough antioxidants into her diet? Would she have to spend hours chopping up all sorts of fruits and vegetables just to cover all the bases? Luckily, Beth's daughter found a quick, easy way for her mom to support her body with a huge variety of antioxidants, and in as little as 10 seconds each morning. But she only found this solution after spending hours studying all the antioxidant supplements she could find on the internet. The reason it took her so long is because all the supplements she looked at only contained a few different types of antioxidants. Most of the formulas were incomplete, or had such small dosages they were little better than sugar pills. Beth's daughter was close to giving up, but then by a stroke of luck, she stumbled upon a new type of antioxidant supplement. A supplement that contained almost double the amount of antioxidant ingredients than any of the others she looked at. A supplement called Natura Zest. Natura Zest is a groundbreaking new energy, vibrancy, and youthful vitality supporting formula. It contains a huge stack of 25 antioxidant ingredients, all in one easy-to-swallow capsule. Natura Zest contains zero sugar, zero carbs, and zero caffeine, and instead only ingredients sourced from the purest, most potent sources available. Natura Zest is made in the USA to good manufacturing practices and fully tested for purity and potency by a third-party lab. All you need to do is take 2 capsules with a cool glass of water, and in combination with a sensible balanced diet, Natura Zest helps to support your energy levels, mental clarity, and feeling of youthful zest in life to the full. Natura Zest's huge stack of 25 ingredients includes 3 key vitamins to support optimal levels of the master antioxidant glutathione. Glutathione is known to be a powerhouse at maintaining the health of our mitochondria and helping us to feel energized, vibrant, and eager to get more out of life. In fact, there are more than 89,000 research papers on glutathione's health benefits. Due to this huge weight of research, popular internet physician Dr. Mark Hyman calls it the mother of all antioxidants, the master detoxifier and maestro of the immune system. Natura Zest also includes soursop extract. Soursop is a spiky green fruit that's been a core ingredient in Peruvian herbal remedies since the time of the Incas. Soursop contains a treasure trove of antioxidant compounds including alkaloids, saponins, terpenoids, and flavonoids. Natura Zest also contains extracts of 3 Japanese mushrooms, shiitake, ricin, and maitake, because these mushrooms contain powerful antioxidants called hypolipidemics, and hypolipidemics have been found to be effective at supporting the health of our cells and to provide a bigger scoop in our step. Inside every capsule of Natura Zest you'll also find turmeric, which has been a standout ingredient in Indian Ayurvedic remedies for thousands of years. Those are just a few of the vast selection of 25 antioxidant ingredients inside every capsule of Natura Zest. You can find a full list of ingredients if you click the link below and visit the Legacy Nutter website, where you'll also discover how you can claim these 3 digital cookbooks, including a sugar-free desserts cookbook, as a free gift with every order. And there's zero risk in giving Natura Zest a try, because every bottle comes with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. What that means is that, if within 60 days you don't feel energized, mentally alert, and more youthful, or you change your mind and want your money back, simply return the bottles within 60 days for a full refund. So if, like Beth, you sometimes find yourself struggling through the day feeling run down, mentally drained, and lousy, it could be because your mitochondria need a helping hand to power your body at their peak. And Natura Zest's huge stack of 25 antioxidant ingredients offer a fast, easy way to help you do it. So why not give Natura Zest a try, risk-free for 60 days, and discover how it can help support your mitochondria at optimal levels, which in turn can help you feel energetic, mentally alert, and flowing with youthful zest each day. I mean, just imagine, what would life be like if rather than feeling run down, foggy-brained, and lousy, you felt full of beans, enthusiastic, and eager to get more out of every day instead, with the energy to power through the day's tasks, to complete the house chores with less huffing and puffing, or just imagine having the mental clarity to follow conversations more easily, the speed of thought to solve all of life's little mental challenges, and to replace feeling moody with feelings of joy instead, so that life can become a more eventful and fulfilling adventure, filled with life, laughter, and love, whether you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, or beyond. So if living life with more youthful zest sounds appealing to you, go ahead and click the button below this video right now and give Natura Zest's huge stack of 25 mitochondria supporting ingredients a try, risk-free for 60 days.